Yo, what up, guys? Producer KT here once again. I want to welcome you guys to this channel. If this is the first time coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe. And I want to say I'm very happy to have you here. If this is the first time coming across this channel, okay. The last time on our last video, we made a video. Oh, sorry, we made a beat. Don't mind me. We made a beat, and I said I was going to be like giving a breakdown on how I arranged the beats and anything I added along the line. I'm going to tell you guys like whatever I did in the beats. So without wasting your time, let's dive into our work for today. So I'll first of all play the beats so you could listen to the arrangement of what I did. Then I'll give you guys a breakdown on everything. So that's the intro. Verse 2. That's the chorus actually. So that's the outro. So basically that's just everything we have on this beat. So for those of you that was with me on from the beginning on how I created the beat, you know how we all did it. So if you have not seen it, go watch the last video I posted, then you understand this one. So basically what I just did, if you listen to the lead chord, you hear that I kind of like changed because this was not the initial chord progression we used. So I changed it to like a synth. So let's listen to it. Synth from Expand. So I'm using polysynth leap precept. So this was not actually how it sounded before. Let me show you how it sounded before. This is how it sounded initially. Yeah, it's having this dirty churchy sound, so I just kind of like did a cut. I designed it to sound like that, and it's something very soft. So you can just copy that. It's very simple. Just cut, just tweak. All these knobs are for you to design your sound. So in case maybe you don't like how your melody is sounding, or at that particular VST, the sound that is giving you could just to play around with the knob and you find something maybe different. So after I did that, it gave me this. So after that, I added the vocal loop or the vocal sample. Then I added piano from Lounge Lizard. So playing the same thing. So then we have the percussions. So this, before that, I added this we all remember this sax. So I changed it to, I render it to audio, and if you listen to it, it sounded kind of like lushy. I added a reverb to it. So this is it. What I just added the reverb to it, like Lux Verb. In case you don't know what Lux Verb is, or you have not come across Lux Verb, just check it out. It's a stock plugin. I came across it by mistake. Then since that day I loved it. So just try it out and thank me later. So I added this kick. Remember this kick. Then we have the and I layered it with another percussion. Yeah. Actually, layering is one of the key to beat making. Just layer your sound with different percussion, and it just give you like a different vibe. Like it makes your drum harder, hits harder, and also gives your percussion a different kind of like tone. When you just like when you're adding different colors, when you add white and another color, it gives you another color. It's the same thing with percussion. When you had two different percussions together, it will like give you another sound, something different. So this percussion loop I created it myself using a VST called Modern Melody. So in case you want to know how I did that, just go watch the last video I posted. Then you see what we did or how we got it. Then down to we added some transitions. So I added a bass. These are the bass sounds. From Trillion. I could show you the precepts. What precept did I even use? So I use a trilogy acoustic key switch. That's the precept I used. Then on the chorus I did another bass, a sub bass, to make it full. Then I added another, what do you call it? Another vocal sample. That was the first vocal sample we brought in while we were trying to make the beat. Then I added this part. So this part is actually playing the same thing the chord progression is playing, but I just kind of like render it to audio. So that's just basically everything I did on this beat. So in case you want me to like make a video on how I'll be mixing this beat, just comment below and I'll do that ASAP. I'm here for you. Like I said before, you guys are going to be learning a whole lot from this channel, from mixing, whatever, just name it. So on our next video, basically I'll just do a video on how I mix this beat to make it sound professional. So, and like I said before, if this is the first time coming across this channel, or if you have watched it, if you stayed with me till this point and you loved everything I did and you learned something or you achieved one knowledge or the other, please subscribe, don't forget, and turn on your notification button to be the first person to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. I remain your producer, ckay, and Peace out for today.